Muungano wa athondeki a indo ni matabanitie giikaro gia gutetia na kumenerereia mirurungano arungu kiao kiuikaine ta okoa uchumi ni maugite ati mihango yao na biashara ciao ni ithararite na njira nene kurumurira mirurungano ino.
This is a statement from the Kenya Association of Manufacturers on the ongoing demonstrations. The Kenya Association of Manufacturers would like to express its concerns over the ongoing protests and their impact in the country. We acknowledge that as per Article 37 of the Kenyan Constitution 2010 and in accordance with provisions of the Public Order Act, every person has the right, peacefully and unarmed, to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to present petitions to public authorities. It is critical that this should be done while safeguarding every Kenyan, interrupting business operation of property. Considering this, we would like to state as follows. We are deeply concerned by the safety and well-being of Kenyans, our employees, and customers during the ongoing protests. Regrettably, several people have lost their lives. We empathize with during these difficult times. Additionally, the protests have created an uncertainty and fear, making it quite challenging for employees to travel safely to work. The safety of consumers visiting business premises is jeopardized, further aggravating already challenging situation. Business have not been either with reports of damages and loss of property such as vehicles, offices, shops, infrastructure, and outlets. The ongoing protests have dealt a significant blow to the manufacturing sector. We share the pain of most of our members who have reported that numerous businesses have experienced disruptions, hindering their day-to-day operations